of my songs are sad Jesus songs. So it's encouraging that you guys have sad Jesus songs too. And I have a whole testimony of crazy. I'm acquainted with grief very much. And so these sad Jesus songs resonate. And I'm half blind and I'm going to try to look there. So we'll see. I'm not really half blind, but I... I'm gonna be like that. Well, usually I have my iPad that's like, and even though it's my song, I have to look at lyrics. Okay, I did not plan on doing this today, so this is crazy. Okay, I wrote this song the Lord put on my heart as I was praying for a friend who had lost her husband last year. He was 51, and it was just out of nowhere. She has 3 kids. It was very heartbreaking. And I know, because I've experienced incredible loss, losing my sister. That was 25 years ago. I've seen the faithfulness of God. I know I can confidently say that He is good. He has carried me through. And it doesn't take away pain, doesn't do any of that. But there's a comfort in knowing Him, that He, and in resting in His, and who He is. And I always look at Jesus on the cross, and He used suffering. I mean, that's the wildest part of our faith, is that God, the focal point in the center of our faith is based on a man who died for us, suffered, and God used that and made salvation available and heaven available and relationship. And anyway, I'll stop talking because I do better singing. This says He carried me through.